Okay, today I have a 2006 Volvo XC90. The customer was complaining about the AC not blowing that hard. So the first thought that came into mind was that the cabin air filter must be obstructed. So we decided to remove the cabin air filter. Most of the time it's going to be located in the glove box, but with these Volvos, it's actually located underneath here. So what you're going to need first is a T20 star, and you're going to unscrew it right here. One screw. Unscrew another one right here. Next, you're going to pull this off. You want to be a little careful with it, but it comes out pretty easily. Put that off to the side. Next, there are two screws right here and right here. That same screwdriver, you're going to unscrew those. Okay. From there, this will lift open, and inside is going to be your cabin air filter. Actually, I already removed this one. And this is how bad it looked. It's hard to tell, but it is pretty clogged. So now we're going to put the new cabin air filter in. Okay. And when you take it out, the easiest way to do is just pull it out. It may not come out that easy, but you're just gonna have to pull it out. When you put it back in, same thing. So now you're gonna screw this in. Screw this one in. Okay. Next, when you do this, you want this part to go under here first. Get that to snap in. Get that to snap in. Snap that back in. And then screw these in. I usually start them out by hand, finish with the screwdriver. Okay, now we're going to see how good that fixed the AC. And already I can tell the air is a lot stronger. Before, you couldn't really hear the air, or feel the air on your body when it was blowing out. So definitely fix that issue. If you want to bypass the cabin air filter and just leave it empty, you can do that. Just know that it's not going to be filtering out all of the dust, grime, leaves, dirt, all that fun stuff that you saw on the filter itself.